Careful, don't let you bump your head.
Yeah, he's actually pulling.
I know, don't bump your head on the thing.
Oh, there's a storm coming. Get on the boat. Get on the boat. No, it's shaking. Mom.
Yeah?
I don't want to get on the boat. Hey, hey, hey! Simmer. Simmer. Try to pull it. Oh my God. Are you taking a video? Oh, good.
Gotta tell Summer you're sorry. You gave her a boo-boo.
Actually, he did rip part of my skin.
Tell Summer you're sorry. River.
You probably can't steal it from me. Try to get me off of it. You probably won't be able to.